I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back here to show you the winning braided lock style. You all have voted on my Instagram and on my YouTube for my Valentine's Day lock style. And you guys chose my retro glam style. And I did recreate it. I did wear it out on my date. And today is actually Valentine's Day. So I got a little dolled up for you guys, so you guys can see the style recreated. And this is it. And if you didn't see my video where you were supposed to select a style, that is where the tutorial is. So if you want to see the tutorial, it's really easy. It looks difficult to achieve, but it's really not. Once you have your locks braided up, the rest is pretty simple. So definitely check out the tutorial if you want to recreate it. But as you can see, these are like rolls. The braids are just rolled up and pinned. And that's how it is in the back. I have some braids here rolled up and pinned to the side, and these braids were rolled up and pinned up like victory rolls. So yeah, this is like a pin curl victory roll inspired lock style. So let me know what you think. I hope you like it and I hope you enjoy your Valentine's Day. Let me give you a look at the back. Love, light, and locks. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. You can always visit www.keishacharmaine.com for hair growth products, hair accessories, and more. But don't leave just yet. Check out my featured video and my latest video.